In this video, I will be showing you how to fix a Chatgpt account flagged for potential abuse. Let's get started. First, I start by opening my browser where the Chatgpt website is loaded. Then I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of my browser to open the menu. From the drop-down, I hover over Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. Here, I need to disable any VPNs or Chatgpt-related extensions that might be causing issues. I toggle off my VPN extension and I also disable the Chatgpt search extension. Once that's done, I close the Extensions tab and return to the main browser window. Next, I click on the three dots again, and this time I select Settings. In the left sidebar, I click on Privacy and Security. Then I select Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, I click the time range dropdown and make sure it is set to all time. After selecting that, I click the Delete Data button to clear my cache and cookies. Once the data is cleared, I close the Settings tab. Now I open a new tab and go to Google. I type OpenAI Support into the search bar and press Enter. I click on the first search result, which is the OpenAI Help Center. On the Help Center page, I look for the black chat bubble icon in the bottom right corner and click on it to open the support chat. A chat window opens. Here, I click on Ask a Support Question and type out a detailed message explaining my situation. I write, "Hello OpenAI Support. I recently received a message stating that my Chatgpt account was flagged for potential abuse and I would like to request a review of my account." I continue by explaining, I believe this may have been a mistake as I have been using Chatgpt for personal learning, writing, and productivity purposes in accordance with the terms of use. I have not intentionally violated any policies. I then ask, could you please review my account and let me know if there are any specific issues I should address? If additional information is needed, I'd be happy to provide it. I finish the message with, "Thank you for your time and assistance. I appreciate your help and look forward to your response. Best regards," and add a name. Then I hit send. The support bot replies and asks me to provide my email address to continue. I type in my email address and click the arrow to send it. The bot processes my request and provides a helpful response. It gives me a specific link to an appeal form. I click on the appeal link provided in the chat. This opens a new tab taking me directly to the Submit and Appeal page. On this page, I can now fill out the necessary information, including my account email, the reason for my appeal, and any additional context to officially submit my request for review. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.